A Venezuelan allegedly steals 1 milli, and you got Coinbase sending out two-factor authentication, mistaken reset notices. We got mortgages doing the spin. Tron TRX, I'm going to explain to you what I think and why I say on the header, on the thumbnail, that they could be the next dollars out of mortgages because of what's happening with rates going way up in the future, prices booming high right now, and people having a hard time, stutter, affording. It's 5 in the morning, very early, too early to be doing a video or anything for that matter. Let's go. If you're new to the channel, thank you for coming. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you very, very much. Let's get into it. 23-year-old Venezuelan allegedly steals 1 million in BTC from clients after faked abduction. By the way, if you like the sound of Tron TRX and Bittorrent making mortgages easier, capitalizing on a multi-billion-dollar industry, because along comes companies that change things forever, and I'm not talking about Rocket Mortgage, and no, not sponsored by Rocket Mortgage. However, if you like the sound of amortization and loans in general going from something that would be over a 30-year period to maybe a 60-year period, making things cost much less for you monthly, if you like the sound of that, please subscribe, hit the bell, the like button, comment down below, help me out with the algorithm so that the channel becomes more popular. Let's go. So, the 23-year-old is wanted by the police after allegedly faking his own kidnapping and stealing his clients' funds. Let's get into some pricing, then we'll do a flash round through the news as usual of cryptocurrency. We got a Bitcoin at 47,783 smackers. We got Ethereum doing 33.53. We got Cardano at 282. Cardano's going to explode, in my opinion, into the $4 range. We got Binance trying to flirt with 500, but getting slapped down below the 470, 480. Tether doing what it does. Dogecoin at 27. We got Polkadot doing its dot at 27.87. Let's see where good old Tron is. We're sitting nice at 88.8 cents, closing in on 9 cents. I think we'll hit the 9 cents today. We've got, where is BitTorrent? Where are you? I think we passed it. We got BitTorrent sitting at 0.004. We're going to see a cent in the not too distant future. Let's see. New blockchain lab aims to modernize the mortgage industry. I'm going to get into that Tron and BitTorrent in a minute, probably in a couple minutes. Just hang tight with me. One NFT project believes Mars might be the top P2E destination in the metaverse. They're going to start selling off pieces of Mars in NFT. You can be an owner of property that doesn't exist yet. It's going to be cool. I'm going to go to it in a minute. After passing 1 trillion in crypto transactions, blockchain.com CFO hints at going public in 2023. That's a natural. Lots of going public is going to be going on in the crypto sphere. Phantom Price gains 100% after launching a 370 million FTM incentive program. We got users panicking, as I said on the open, mistakenly sends 2FA. Coinbase sends mistakenly 2FA reset notices to customers. We got a corporate brand's target NFTs and adoption continues to skyrocket. We got the user panic, well, we already said that, and that's it for now. So let's go and check out the mortgage industry. So think of it this way. If prices keep going up, if homes keep rising, if it gets to the point where the average home is $1 million, and believe you me, and I'm sure you'll all agree, and if you do, please subscribe and hit the bell and the like button. Prices are out of control, and it's going to price people out of the market real soon. And when that happens, listen, it's only a matter of time before there's another crash like 2008. So, with risk, with uncertainty, always comes opportunity. And the blockchain is the one who I believe is going to come in, going to waltz in like a good-looking, handsome man or beautiful woman and sweep everyone off their feet and take the mortgage industry and do a little dance, a little lambada that makes it where somebody who'd normally be paying $2,000-3,000 a month for their mortgage can all of a sudden pay halfers because they're going to change the amortization rate. The 30-year term is going to become the 15-year term, and it's going to battle through into longer terms eventually, so that even your grandparents, not your grandparents, but your grandkids rather, could, if they wanted to, take over a little amount left on a mortgage of, say, yours, and the amortization periods become very long, and this basically prevents the mortgage industry from crashing. I believe there's big change on the horizon, and you know, it only takes like a Tron TRX or a Bittorrent to fit into a little nook and have something, one industry or a couple like NFTs, become their mainframe, and games like GameFi, however, I'm talking more about mortgages today, have that become their mainframe, and then you will see, because there's already a ton of transactional money, a ton, behind Tron. So the mortgage industry can be huge, and I'm going to predict to you now, they are going to get into some type of financing, mortgage financing. They're going to take DeFi to a whole new level, put a spin on it, and create a new model. Now, we got the new blockchain lab aims to modernize the mortgage industry. Business consulting firm Zventus, remember, MySpace was not in charge. It became Facebook, even though MySpace had the lead. Same thing here, history repeats. A blockchain a blockchain lab designed to revolutionize the mortgage sector. Global business provider Zventus announced a new blockchain initiative on Monday called the Mortgage Blockchain Lab. The lab is meant to collate the resources of several mortgage experts, technology firms, and academic institutions to collaborate on blockchain research and development focused on the mortgage sector. The California-based firm, whose product and service offerings span a broad business spectrum, including business consultancy, human resource strategy, and tech support, will work with its partners in this blockchain sandbox to develop and test new products and services. Think they're going to stretch the amortization period first? Early reports from the firm suggest that the cost of loans for financial organizations will be reduced by over 50% once the services are launched. I swear I did not read this article ahead of time, just the headline. Zventus president Angel Albin believes in the vast potential of blockchain to support the sector's development. By the way, they're talking now how, you know how I've been saying even before the crash, 30 to 45,000 range bound for Bitcoin. So the experts are saying 50 grand isn't going to happen for any sustained level this year. And I believe that. I don't think, actually no, they're saying it's definitely not going to happen in September, and that September, as you know, or you may not know, is traditionally not good for Bitcoin. So I don't see it going higher, sustaining higher than 45,000 the rest of the year. I think next year is the next ascend, and that ascend will probably be to about, I think, 80 to 100,000. So there's no doubt in blockchain's ability to disrupt the mortgage industry. The capabilities of a secure transport ledger without a central intermediary is taking off in Europe and Asia and gaining significant traction in the Americas. We're thrilled to be at the forefront of a technology revolution that will transform mortgage processing forever. And that's an industry that needs it. It needs it bad. Because growth stops if people can't buy, if they can't get financed, right? If the payments are too high. Remember the car industry? The good old car industry? See how it changed? When you used to buy a car, you had a loan period of 4 years. Now you have loan periods of 8 years, 10 years. Same thing's happening. It's coming for housing. Since its inception, the doubling of the term length to lower the payments. Since its inception in 2016, Zventus has expanded across 180 countries and provided services in 220 languages. So if you want to check out this article, I think I just went through the whole thing. Oh, I thought there'd be more. Okay, so if you want to revisit this article, check it out. Everything from today, not my opinions, but the articles themselves came from Cointelegraph. As usual, hope this finds you healthy, happy. I will see you on the next video.